glue gels. You're going to do it right after you finish everything. And then this is still required to do a 60-second cure. So I'm going to do using the needles part on this end. And then we're going to do is really quick exam. When I do a little like really quick exam, I don't squeeze anything out yet. But once I see some of when you see is like scratchy, you are going to squeeze just a little bit out. And then this is going to fill in all the gap and the edges that have been missing condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. Even a little gap, it will catching on the hair or your clothes. So you don't have to use it really aggressive, just using a little bit. And then I'm go ahead and seals the metal beads to prevent from getting tarnished. And just seals around the base of the crystal. You definitely don't want to seals on the top. You don't want to color the crystal because it's going to take away from the sparkle and the shines and the cut. So we are going to cure this for 60 seconds. With this beauty, we already encap with the crystal clears powder, so not necessary. You don't need precision glue gels. Only using precision glue gel for your charm, your crystal, your chain, your frame, your beads. Not on the encapsulate already. So we are going to seal. It looks so adorable. Seals and caps all the beads and around the edges of the crystal. Okay. Don't lose this red cap because it will keep to protect your precision glues to last a long time. So a lot of you were asking the questions for the crystal designs and what I'm using to adhere on my crystal. This is crystal Trifecta, which is condensed glue gels, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gels. This is 3-step methods to take your crystal design to the next level. And it's going to be in your bestie all the time in the station. So here's a final look. I'm excited. I have is couple cute is a gel extension on here. Stay tuned because tomorrow we are going to do this set. And then this Friday we're going to do this set. So stay tuned with me, because I'm so excited to create some cute designs for you. All right, this is the final look. 1, 2, 3. Or maybe I should do her right here. And then here. And then here. So like La Potions, Mojitos, Euphoria, and then Mojito. This is super cute though. You like? Mm-hmm. I have my little cutie clip so I can clip it here for you to see. All right. Here's the final looks for all Glitz, babe. I'm so excited. Let me wipe off the residue from